guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll cover the hash function in Solidity that I haven't covered in the previous video. So let's first make a file name hashcode .sql for Solidity. And yeah, as we already know that first of all is need to comment out the license, then we need to start with pragma solidity and then version pragma solidity, then version is 0.8.0 and we need to start with contract keyword. I'm taking name example. So yeah, before we get started with our hash code, I just want to show you an interesting thing that I haven't covered in the previous video. The thing is that in other languages like JavaScript, Java, we can use plus operator to concatenate two string, but in Solidity we can't use that plus operator to directly concatenate two different string. I just want to show you with an example. Let's first make a function. Name is, let's say, example, and I need to make it as public, and I also mention the pure keyword because I'm not going to read or modify any data in the smart contract. Rather I'll be working independently with this function. So I want to return some string type, and I just also need to mention the memory keyword. Let's try to return two string with plus operator for concatenation. I want to string hello and world. Let's hello, and I want to use plus operator to concatenate with world. So but yeah, the thing is that you can see that I'm getting an error that built-in binary operator plus cannot be applied to type little string. I mean we can't use this plus operator to concatenate two different string in Solidity directly. So what is the process? How can we achieve, or how can we concatenate two string in Solidity? Well, we have a special method. The name is abi.encodePacked. And in between this we just need to pass the string we want to concatenate. So yeah, we don't need to use plus operator, rather we need to use this semicolon. So yeah, we can also specify another hello world, then you can also specify Solidity, as you wish, how many string you want to concatenate. So the thing is that here ABI stands for application binary interface, and this method as a whole going to first of all it will concatenate all the strings that we are going to pass, then it will make a bytecode. So for that we just need to convert it into string, and bytecode can be convertible to string manually. So I just need to specify the data type, and then I just need to keep this within open and close bracket. That is the process to typecast manually. So the thing is that for now you can consider that abi.encodePacked is going to first it's going to concatenate this thing first, and then it's going to create a bytecode, and I'm just typecasting that bytecode to string. So yeah, let's deploy this, the result. And if I click on this, you can see hello world Solidity. I'm getting that. Now move towards our hash code. So we have a hash function, name is Keccak256. This is the function, hash function, and it's basically belong to SHA3, and here SHA3 stands for secure hashing algorithm, and the version is 3. And the thing is that if you don't know what is a hash function, then I just want to mention a little bit that a hash function is kind of a function that going to map our data, our input data into a random 256 hexadecimal code. So yeah, we can use this hash function to create a random hash code, a random number. So that is the thing, and the thing is that if we change slightly with our input data, then it's going to produce a large difference of hash code, large different type of hash code as a result. So that is a very good thing. And one thing we just want to mention that if we want to use that this Keccak256 hash code, then we just need to keep in mind that it expects a single parameter of type bytes. So first of all we just need to convert our data into bytes, then we need to pass as a parameter. And yeah, as I just covered that how we can convert our data into byte. So yeah, we just need to use that abi.encodePacked. And you need to pass the data we want to convert into bytes. So let's say I'm just taking a integer data. So yeah, we just need to pass this into our hash code, pass this. So yeah, we just need to pass this, and let's say for now I want to return not string and unsigned int. So let's name will be, the type is unsigned int, the name is hashcode. And the thing is that we just need to also this, as this is a hash code. So I just need to convert the type this into unsigned int. The process is very simple. We just need to declare this on this, and the thing is lastly I just need to return, let's return that hash code. So that is the thing, and you can see I'm getting an error. Why I'm getting an error? Let's see. I just need to specify comma, but I'm getting unsigned int. So here I just need to specify comma. We can delete this. So that is the thing, and let's deploy this again. The result, and if we click on the button, then you can see I'm getting a random hash code. So this is very useful if we want to generate a random number or random hash code in our smart contract. So that's all for today's video, and I think you enjoyed the video. So thank you again for watching, and yeah, bye bye, see you very soon.